how to buy BurpCoin token. So this token came under the BURP. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screen as you can see here, and as you can see, this token it's increased by 200% in the last 24 hours, and in the last 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, it's increased by 16%. So the market cap here is $200,000 and the volume is $7.2 million. Daily liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. It's mean your investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address, it came under the Solana network. Now for that, I will use Phantom Wallet. Now after that, open your Phantom Wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course, to be able to buy this token. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. After that, make sure to type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, how much you receive. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap, and you will be able to relax it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues on your buy process, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, because the most issues in your buy process came from the slippage. Now switch the slippage or custom, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy BurpCoin token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.